Hey, I'm Mr. Steele, and you're watching Matty Blunts. Try not to get too high.
I got a medical cart, really cool. Sick. We're all good here.
I got a bunch of sand.
Hey, we are back now at the house, and check this out. I was like, man, I'm back at the house, I want to get high. So I got my puff coat, and then I look around the table.
It looks like crap.
Maddie has a puff coat. Drippy Hippie has a puff coat. Motherfucking Nuisance has a puff. Are you fucking kidding me? Yo, do you fly FPV and you don't have a puff coat, and we fucking hate you? Go fucking buy one so you can be cool like us.
Look, noun or adjective. A dirty, hairy, stinky, malnourished, dishonest creature that often travels in packs, with mangy, multicolored dogs on hand-made all-natural, organic hemp leashes, or alone wandering aimlessly around a concert parking lot with a few seemingly more important than the music goals. Find mind-altering substances. Scare a younger, more easily influenced friend about the dangers of drugs. Just tell them to observe and study the behaviors of wooks in their natural surroundings.
Cinderella.